Hey guys, greetings and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I will show you how to customize a Discord bot. So regardless of which bot you add to your server on Discord, the typical way to customize them is through the commands. So in order to do that, regardless of which bot you're using, just type in /, and now depending on which bot you're using, of course you can have multiple. Firstly, in the list, you just choose which bot you're going to manage, right? So for example, in my case, it's Carlbot, but you can also add, for example, this Me6. And now in order to customize, for example, I can add roles, right? Just press that. Then you choose a user, for example, with add like this, or just type in their ID and then add a role. So this is one of the things you can do. And of course, you can also create the reaction roles if you wish. Okay, as you can see, we have plenty of the options that are all related to the reactions. You can add them, remove them, add multiple at a time, etc., etc. And in case you just want to browse and see what's available, you can just press on this /, okay? Then you can just, as you can see that this is going to be the section with Carlbot. And now you can just scroll down. As you can see, we have many dozens of options and commands that you can choose. Level add XP, there you go, you can add XP to a user, etc. So as you can see, you can just open up your imagination and do whatever that fits your soul. So that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy your customizations and see you in the next one.